Hello everyone, welcome to Payment Arise. My name is Lida. So in this video, we will study the vocabulary words from lesson 27, Nicodemus. And in this video, we have 5 words to learn together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is shop. Shop. Spell S-H-O-P. Shop. For example, I need to go to the shop. I have got no food in my house. The second word is cost. Cost. Spell C-O-S-T. Cost. For example, how much does the bag cost? Cost. The third word is what else. What else? Spell W-H-A-T-E-L-S-E. What else? For example, after I'd thanked them, I didn't know what else to say. What else? The fourth word is kilogram. Kilogram. Spell K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M. Kilogram. For example, I bought 3 kilograms of grapes. Kilogram. The last word is half kilogram or half kilo. Spell H-A-L-F-K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M. Half kilogram. For example, I'd like a half a kilogram of orange and a half a kilogram of apple. Alright, now please repeat the words after me one more time. Shop. Shop. Cost. Cost. What else? What else? Kilogram. Kilogram. And half kilogram. Half kilogram. Well done everyone, and thank you so much for spending time watching this video, and I hope you can remember all these words, and don't forget to make sentence or sentences by using the 5 words that we have learned together. If you do it right, I will give you thumb up, and if it is not, I will have checked. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny, please click the link down below. And I will see you next video. Bye bye, God bless you.